Goya, if you want to go do your 3 children passport, you got to go for 3 different embassies, and it's not going to be one day because you know fit. Even if you get car, you can't. Before you go call you short on, before you can't do Gambia home, before they can't give you Gambia passport. France will go easy. You get how you can't frustrate. If you don't know today, may I tell you, as you get the way you can't frustrate for life, you can't admit your pain. You can't use it until they do tattoo. Just the way me they call myself, Enogie matter so. You get where the thing can't reach, you can't use them as a tattoo. Many people will not feel say they pay you, the thing they pay you. 3 mother of 3 different fathers. You said it with your mouth. See, you want to push me again, make your family can't cost you again. Now because of me today, no carry come out September last year. So for those of the people who don't know you, when they feel say you be better person, I go read the way your family take this on you today. I want you quickly to do as small before 30 minutes will elapse. When I power tab, when I share for me, I go still post that for you. Goya, I, Enogie matter, give you the public disgrace of your life that made your own family to disown you. September last year. I read. Share the live stream. I'll tell now. Now, before I go read, my first poster for my back for you. Maybe people not going to say this is back and lie. No, I don't say me not the lie. If I want to do something, I go with evidence of proof. Now you wait.
Goya will not get live, go sit tight. They talk about.
Now you wait.
I don't be your mate out in next life.
Hello. Make I remove comments for 1 second. I beg. Goya, come here. Make God punish you. I go still tell the people today how you call Mumurish. The listing.
That comment is sweet.
May I remove this plus 21, put her for near the first. I want to read that from here. So I'm not to say another thing. No get the read. Una remember that guy? May I be comment back again? May I ask a question? Let me bring the comment back again. Did you remember that guy that saying, Goya man, shebi me katamuwe. Say my pikin not go do this.
That is less boy. What's your geleno?
That your boy when they call Goya ameno.
My brother.
Now remember, when I answer me, when I fast, my time was soon. When I remember that mumu boy, when not blow for music industry, where portable better pass. When they sing, Goya man, shebi me katamuwe. Say my pikin not the bamba. She want to bamba. Since 2021, not bamba again. Una remember? Okay.
Faith family.
Now it be Goya success. He can't say this one when they call Goya success. He can't say make the right public notice. Una see do they take this. Goya, your family fed you. You fed your family. You fed your generation family. You fed your present family. You fed your future family. When women are talking, that be the generation family.
Yes, it fairly children.
That be the future. That be the future. Now I will read this first. When I wait, go here decrease. Your mama,
your papa,
because you too small.
Your
when you swear for
your elder brother.
Go you are too small for me. Like you be cockroach.
Go and come.
You don't ever see me clap your platform once. But now you be come here. You want to contribute. Make contribute to buy your mama, your mother. I want to read. Oh yeah. I know my fans will enjoy this 30 minutes. They ask for more, but only 30 minutes is okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to stand today, 8th of March, 8th Noah. Yeah, tell me. You ain't lost memory. The Goya family, public notice of the association. Ah, God, Jesus Christ, now. Do you know what is the association? A shift come up for this particular person. That from today is from one of the saga only, not be with the family again. Only she. Public notice of the association. Where the Goya family wish to inform the general public that we have observed with deep concern the recent actions and conduct of our daughter, sister, Opeyemi, never be her name.
Opeyemi. I didn't think of that minute.
Everybody say Opeyemi.
Opeyemi, very ugly name.
Opeyemi. No, now let you name ugly because other people feel they bear out my fans. But as far as they bear that name, only you. Now be the single mother. Now only one go they swear for as a single mother.
Opeyemi.
The rest of them, I will not talk to them.
Single mother by stupidity.
You listen.
Away.
Pay me blessings various on various social and digital platforms as Goya 667 and Goya 6675. After careful consideration, we hereby state clearly that our words, actions, and behavior do not represent our family's values, beliefs, or principles.
Jesus.
See the Mumu where they speak English, and they come from the Mumu family. Effective immediately, we formally dissociate ourselves from her public conduct, any statements, activities, or representations made by her henceforth are strictly her personal responsibility and must not in any way be linked to the Goya family. Why are you doing this one so? Because of me. We remain committed to upholding our family's good name and reputation, built over the years on integrity, respect, and accountability. We kindly urge the public, media, and all concerned parties to take note of this clarification. Signed, Goya Augustine for the family. Date, 12 September 2025. Share the live stream and power tap. You see the Mumu family, after they don't teach Goya how to born for 3 different fathers.
I say mama born scatter.
Because they said I saw Goya mama. They said Goya and even twins. They said the same thing that still happened to Goya twins. Now Goya, let me tell you the reason why when mothers like my wife are talking and every other mothers, you know even supposed to stand for them. I want to tell you the reason. Number one, you failed your children, you failed your future. The future of your children, you fail them. You get license today, but if you buy your picking of use that license. You get license today, Abi. If you buy your children don't use that license, they go do their own license. If I get license now, my wife cannot use it. I've used and carry my wife go anywhere, but my wife not go use them because she needs to go do her own.
So like 1.5. When you compare Jenny will be
Goya
5,000 euro for.
Come, let me tell you your life story.
France 1.5 change.
The reason why when mothers are talking, you go hide yourself for bush. I shall better pass you 100 times. I shall say they can't register. Say you want to teach and affiliate, you not force anybody. Now business where everybody they do. If you prosper you definitely come outside and say, this thing prosper, now make a shall come out. Me can't go still join. Because tomorrow, maybe people not come and say, hey pa, you not there. See what happen. That's why I go join. I register my wife. Because I know say I shall they make money for them. Now where therefore they make money, now me want they go. Me know where they go where money not there. Now make I register my wife put to Goya say me they not register for Aisha and Aisha will born for 1 man. Say me not register for you. Say me they can't register. May teach them work. Goya, if you are this okay, you born 2 days. You start work.
Put part for Pekus got the work.
You put part for Pekus.
Pass so.
I don't forget the money when they say that they pay woman born for France. You collect that money. Yet, as you can't poor rich.
With the useless baby father we born for.
With your baby father where you born for. Go, you'll not be beans. Not in November. You will still break up with that one. Enter the fourth husband. You dey talk for here say if the man not dey okay again, you enter the fourth husband. Oh yeah, you are the only single mother when I go to swear for. In fact, you are the reason why they tarnish other single mother names. Why? Because only wait one step at a time. I swear, when I ask my fans, I know they lie. She born 2 days, she starts work. A mother that is supposed to be relaxing. If my wife born for years, 6 months, my wife still relax.
Appointment step, I know they go. I'll call them.
6 months, my wife still relax. But because of say you not dey okay, you start to work. Now you want to talk.
No service.
You get document. So
she'll be proud for me with passport, not even sojourn.
And so
passport, not honorary.
Now you want to get document. People never die and leave document.
Born for a boy, not get document.
But if you die today, Goya, how your children want waka?
Born for a boy, you don't get passport. Shame on you.
Goya, if you die today, how your children go waka? And it's a question. If you die today, how your children want waka? Or if one of your baby father, how they want waka? One of your baby papa now go, one of your children now go call ready to go Gambia.
You go say one dog by.
The rest not go follow them.
Your papa dog by, no, not be you, that one, Michael, your papa dog by.
The other one go they swear for the other one, Papa, for your presence.
Scatter shit.
You will scatter your. You should be ashamed of yourself. You are the tarnishment of your single mother life. Now, because of you, they install single mothers up and down. Because every other single mother are strong women. But you see, you are not a strong woman. You are a failed mother. Your life, Ben, go one side. You should not. In fact, when people are talking, you're not supposed to talk. As you come mumurish, because of the shame where you portray, where you display, your family disown you publicly. You get 3 national passports. Now I call the ring up for your ear. If you they insult me, no, they pay me. You know why? If you feel born for 3 different nationalities, nobody will know future master. But the truth is that now people like you, that's they comment for your platform. People with their life don't frustrate for France. Nice they comment for your platform. They go they clap for you. See no man. Hey, I want to speak English. See the way to the mumu. You know, you don't even come and pick anywhere.
Yeah, Laura.
Mommy and Laura.
And Laura.
You know, with the educated ones. As I do so, you educated. Goya, you educated.
Now you born scatter.
You don't feel educated for Toto.
Nothing get reserved for. Get reserved for people.
No. You don't feel educated for Toto, but you educated for brain. Oh. I cover my fans with the blood of Jesus. May they not be like Goya, that is educated in brain and not educated in Toto. The right thing may not be joke. They don't know the day we pray at the person. My word, yeah.
Who go school get reserved for people? Goya not get reserved for people.
You where go school, you not get reserved for Toto. You not feel just okay. One get ACB. I mean,
cause he born for Igbo. They all Igbo.
You born for Igbo, you not fit stay. You born for black, you not fit stay. I've been a spirit will go look for you because they say if you France well. I never say for Germany. I've been a spirit will fit settle down with. So that the way you do you go not carry good your that word. Maybe that one will go look for. I beg. Any spirit available, please. If you know say you don't buy, but your spirit never rest. And you are roaming around the street or country of France.
And nobody knows you don't buy.
And nobody knows you don't buy. Please go and toast Goya. First and foremost, scatter the one with this, so because it not even the relationship like that. Goya let prick to the extent. If you see say the man get problem for prick, the two man when you buffer, they will know you that prick will be strong and active. Goya, the truth. This is not saga. What did they happen to the rest of it? They kill their prick. If you don't do their prick as you want one, you can't come out. I cannot go and buy myself. I cannot go and buy myself. If man not Google, they leave the man. Start speaking English with your illiteracy. Start speaking English with 3 nationalities. You do not even, you know the day where they wait for you. And they pray, may God punish you, May you forget yourself one day, may you climb up for this platform.
Osas help life. See how una do now.
Osas where you help una life.
See how you do.
How una do Osas?
Back.
Now that now brings me to the question. When Osas they do this donation, Osas get reserve is a promise. Osas get reserve. When they answer me, Osas get reserve that time. No, Osas will help people. Think he say that's what it might be. All of them gather together, spoil that platform.
What? Give me.
All of them gather together, spoil that platform.
Thank you.
I get reserve for grant to take help people where they in need of help, just in case of tomorrow, because nobody knows tomorrow. And the thing they favor my fans because sometimes they, if person come with problem, he'll come to say, Epa, I beg you, he needed. My fans will say, the problem not to be Epa give her for account, just like the way we done yesterday. But Osas, all of them are joined together. Make me come promote you, the craze. And they request for people platform. When they see me, I they support people when I choose to support. You cannot force me to support you. Now that one are for Goya. So when women are talking, you not get that to talk. Queen, come here. Because my time is running fast.
Only 1 minute.
Only wait. Okay, last you do that one.
Okay.
Queen, that Queen Love be your name.
I guess with TV.
Queen Love. As you advise people rich, you ended up as a single mother. Now the two of you now, so you and Goya, now it make people they so single mothers will not do them anything. But you say you Queen Love, oh one young boy love you out. To our dev that war Queen, you say me they respect una when we come meet for TikTok. I beg my people, I want to ask you one question. Not be media. I change Facebook and TikTok. Me and these children, Queen is a children to me on social media. Who first enter social media? Una dey TikTok, Agboma Mawa. I come. Una say whether na my money, me take dey help people. Okay, not my money, me take dey help people. But I dey take my time and still dey contribute 50 euro. Sorry, 50,000. Sometimes if I still get 100,000. But Queen, how many times have you ever seen that to ask yourself? Say, if you really be mother, are you a mother? Are you proud to be a mother?
Morning till evening.
Queen Lord, I can never marry a woman like you. God forbid. If I come as one, not your born, wet your born, wherever the bag will have here. Not be you go a platform the daddy. When I say for this thing, that trust, God forbid. Any small thing that day when you saga around. I don't know, you know, say sometimes if you do live stream like this,
you go to school,
you call the school like this, you can't jam me on. Enogie come out for here. Bomb me have you a Queen. Queen, wow.
Lock that door.
If I ball a big Queen, must say you a big. Erima, where is the husband with the always talk? Say my husband at this house, I want to go give them food. You go do live video from morning till night. You know the tire. Where is the Erima? I want to help me ask Queen whether I could love a big Queen.
Queen sweetie.
Queen joblessness. Because that is full-time joblessness. You say you get a certificate, Queen. Can we see it? You say my wife tell you say you get a. Can we see it? Queen don't ever show our certificate. Queen, you don't ever bring your story. Come.
Audio work in the work.
You don't ever bring your story.
Audio restaurants. I don't go restaurants, my children go enjoy. I'm here. Wow.
You don't ever bring your story. Come this live video once. Where you want to talk for people's story? I dey ask you. I dey ask you.
See your life now.
Queen Love. I go feel where. Today again, you still go clap Topolo Moki platform. You are a very disgusting woman.
Jesus, you got clap Topolo.
And you know what I tell like myself? As I block you so for life.
Jesus, so you got clapped up.
For life. Let me pursue you for this platform. If you not remember, now let me remind you. When I started my donation, you say you want to contribute. I mean, if I remember, this my year, I thought you dey speak English. But you know, stay one house mass.
You got clapped up, Topolo.
You dey speak English. You could not stay in one house mass. Goya, then make a lot of all this year baby papa today. They insult single mother because of two of you. Because no woman with his right senses could deliver video from morning to night. They analyze the papa and the mama head. Queen Love Agmo fear. To me, you not get document. Bring them, come outside.
Go.
Bring your certificate, come outside. If na A2 you get to, if na B2 you get to, bring her come outside. You not be the one say I get certificate. As far as you never bring your certificate, come outside. You be immigrant. All of us are immigrants. So when you want to talk, don't talk. Who are you? I don't know you before. You begin to praise me, say what I they do good. How dare you tell me what I will do in my platform when they do donation? They give people 5 million, 4 million. You they tell me say why they give people 4 million. What thing I do for my time? I know say Usas offer they do before me come TikTok.
And they say this come read dance here.
Follow rules and regulations.
No, not be.
My time don't expire.
Yes. Oh.
The time will expire now. Where they comment?
Yeah. See. Now, not read that comment too.
Wait.
Not read that comment too.
Makamo document to a wait. So Queen Love is remaining 10 minutes now. So Queen Love, where are we? We over no harvest over because the harvest where people they give you, you know they teach. So you call they give us the harvest. May not be them Topolo Mokio. Go now play today, play tomorrow. At the end of the day, I can't go and block you. I will never block you. The Momo only you know what they call only you know what they said. Now you block me. Now you dey use fake account. They watch me.
Hey, they don't get
Same with the Queen Love.
Same with Queen Love.
Now you tell me I come over your platform, mistakenly, man, yawa. Now I block you instantly.
Now you dey use fake account.
You dey use fake account. They watch. My better go.
I no get shame.
Do you know what? I remember the old one on social media.
Hey,
either you people like it or not.
These people get mad though.
After all, you don't like me before. Queen Love, me marry like where? I dey give you cap. No, you dey give me two. Not me say I like you. But you see this one where you happen so I won't work here.
Now go block person. Now they use fake account. They wash.
I like what Topolo Moki tell you the other day. Say Topolo Moki talk one thing. Honey, just show them before I come back.
Manora, I be not like because when we know they do show off. See, one Goya enter house, bring 5,000 euro, bring 10,000 euro, come out. Make them post your house, come for Nigeria. Yeah, these are my children document and my document. We are no mates. And passport be this. Now even my children passport, now you won't delay. And the park when I go back, never even put up for up. This is the park when I go back. These are our documents. You see, man, she go back, me not to show. You see, Nigeria, the request for Nigeria passport. 1, 2, 3. My name, S. I buy the park. Something there inside. 4 and 5. Now paper she they use. Now paper she they use. Now paper she they use. She be when I say I want to go Canada. Now na head want to go Canada. Now grand I want pass go Canada. Now grand when I say I want go Australia. She be now na head, na papa head, no mama head. I want sit down with my children. Go Australia or go Canada. I then go America. No na papa head. I want sit down. Not be document. I want to fly.
Now me never get to.
We are not made.
Mopa,
First passport.
Hold on. Wait.
Goya, enter us. Bring 10,000 come out. Am I your mate?
Our time go to expire. Wait.
Am I your mate?
Wait. Before our time go expire.
Bring 10,000 come out with cash.
30 minutes, Baba.
Show your house.
Hello.
Show your house with cash. Better house. Show them cash. What do you have?
No.
You don't get documents. See 5 passport, 5 documents. Are you mad or something?
Listen to me.
I want to go Canada. No, I want to go Canada.
No.
You not get paper. They take it up document. They take it document. Now paper I call the carry. She don't let her talk. Bring her come and see him. See him. Repete, see him. God punish you now. Enter bring money come out. You new boy don't get service. Under 2 days they walk.
Wait.
Bring 10,000. Come for me. I say this 10,000 euro. Come and cash if you show. Now be woman. Now we not get service. You are swat as well.
If they not fit spoil my name, they'll say now because of fun they never give. Now woman they give person document for Europe. When it is time,
evidence now water. God bless you, my darling.
When it is time for my document to come, nobody can stop it. People did this country, they never give them document. Not believe me when they never give documents. So
I call me people, they never get documents. Family, children and mother don't get documents.
He get one of my friends who I don't want to mention him. He not get, wife not get.
Evidence show.
He children not get too.
They bomb every year. It's not me.
But
he remain khaki and he go soon party driving license. He's not play. This year my husband not they play.
But the problem is that what you make una feel say my wife not get document.
Say na paper call they use, they don't take them.
What you make una feel say my wife not get document.
Even a paper for
on you know they put.
Don't do that.
You know that. Yeah. Not even post anything again.
People be careful.
Because not believe my fans will give me 30 minutes. Queen Love, come and get a life. My wife cannot be on social media from morning to night. Every day. Analysis is boom. Who you hear one last analysis? Analysis is my way. Who you hear one analysis? Analysis is my wow. Who made your analysis? Enogie, now your money you tell the help people. No, not my money, not my fans money. I sit down here to do it. Apart from me, when they do this thing now, people they will they do this thing. No! If you even do it before they will do it again, go reach 10 years. But they do this thing for year back to back. And they do it for year back to back. Because I never get document. Now because of that one, documents will come at the appointed time. I'm not even saying. As far as I say, James, no, they pursue me. I do okay. I beg you. Person not okay because they do live video every day. If I don't do okay, I go get 30 to help people for you every day. It's a yes or no question. Please. You people should come to my aid. More than come and not get fast worldwide. If I am not balanced, say I not relax, nothing they pursue me. I go they sit down here, they help people every day. I will not.
I never want to go to Nigeria because of my last experience when I see for her. The things they shock me. I never pack children go to Nigeria. How much for ticket? 5,000 money there as one I go spend. I never go to Nigeria come back. How much for ticket? I never go to Nigeria come back. She want to deal with you. If you want to challenge with me, Goya. One, you born for 1 month. 2, you will get passport. Me never get. Don't be say you will get normal document like me. They say, where is your evidence? Where's the evidence? You born for Igbo, you not get passport. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You're supposed to be ashamed of yourself. Say you born for Igbo. Still, passport never see reach your hand. It never see reach your hand. See how they will say passport. Oh, back. Go and price how much for children passports. 5 passports. How much? May you not be made good not in next life. Now you know. I said I do it for me. There's nobody, no mothers, no family don't come and say I don't belong to them again. But what happened to your generation? Anna put you for Goya ufo. You are pay among the living. Your peckles don't pay. Your move don't you are move open now. Anybody come, you grab and born for her. Anybody come, you grab and born for her. Again, I don't trust your Roika.
Go sit down.
Married woman.
I've been all of you know where they said. That one they regret every five they came market day. All of you know where your days are go come and go call that video. I regret all the things I've done in this life. I don't know. I trusted the fake people. I don't know what this life is turning me into. I will never answer them again. I will never answer them again. They bullied my mother. They bullied my mother. You know, I regret everything in my life. I don't know what to do again. Tomorrow we go climb Topolo.
Go Topolo.
Oh, Mogubu, yeah. I dey look at.
Ah.
Yeah, Mugu. As you don't do rich, we'll never fist you with my one hand.
Mugu queen go climb Topolo. I fear that girl. Girl, no dick.
Only one. You don't say that time. They feel say me like her. Now me call you to pass queen love.
I hate you with
everything.
Mental health is real.
Oh, no other platform now. When I say I don't leave saga, let me leave this thing. Because I'm not doing pass me. That's the truth.
No, this person not feel person don't weak. Yeah, man, go on my way.
No, I've been like that one where they call Grace with this side. That way where your husband be like a cemetery attendant. Not before mortuary.
Twistic. I just that
one when they go to talk, you go to analyze person video, go say, hey. You were they laugh in pain. You were my wife beat hands down for saga. My wife they use your audio till they beat you. You they talk to my wife with my ordinary mouth.
They say play audio for you. You not see audio play. I get my secret.
My wife say they play your audio till now. And adulterous woman.
Useless girl.
Not be beans. The Topolo monkey away your day. Made that one can't do party on the 3rd. Maybe I don't do 28th. Show me one Cedric for people. Where call your birthday? Oh yeah, now go do the birthday.
1 naira, not get for now.
But that day you go no say Enogie get level.
You know what the queen talk? I go banoya we go last. And I miss one under the guest service.
Oh, here we go.
Ma what do I get service here?
It remember 2 minutes.
They collect the paper.
Oh, I want use this 2 minutes.
They collect the paper.
Oh, I want use
they
this
collect the paper.
Oh, I want use this 2 minutes.
They collect the paper. It not get paper.
Oh, that remind me. Oh, I want use this 2 minutes.
Goya.
Oh, I want use this 2 minutes.
People don't fair bitter. Who tell you life history?
No, Goya out of it. Only I want Fioni. I want use this 2 minutes. Stay beat now. Hi. Oh, my hero. My hero. My hero. Boko na 2 minutes. Boko na life story.
See person when they bully me. See who they bully me.
Yeah, what it be that?
Now,
what it make bubu there?
Beko.
What we bubu?
Only
you get 1 more minute.
See who they bully me. See who they bully me.
What we my?
Eko no na Isage maka case when winner. Isage maka case when winner. Isage gi okoyo eko. Isage maka case when winner. Side brody. Ademafia case when winner. Goya. Goya, if I come for you and you cry, you say, "Yeah, not that to me, oh, you not concern because I you. If I come for you, see, Mother of 4, baby, no baby. You will born, scatter, see your
40
life.
seconds left. Who am I beat now? Don't you be now?
See life. Wanna see you, man. Wanna see person with the bully mama Nora.
Hi.
See, Ojika carry a kion wage.
Don't you be now?
Ma see you the talk to mama Nora.
This time when you expire like that. Oh, it don't finish. Frank na person, you want money, only wow. They talk about person, only want money. All of them.
Now see you they talk to me. Jesus.
Time up.
See Beye.
All of them.
Beye.
Put together. For them.
See Beye. Oh, now what I'll come for them. If I make sure they don't go to school tomorrow, I swear now from Tuesday I get appointment.